What's up, YouTube? My name's Chance. The channel is ChanceBishopShowLive, and today we have ourselves a Prismatic Evolution mini tin display case opening. So we have all of the mini tins that we're going to be opening up right here. Full display case here of our Prismatic Evolutions. So these things do be rattling a lot because they do have like little tokens in them. But we have all the evolutions. You got Sylveon, Glaceon, Leafeon, Umbreon, Espeon, Jolteon, Vaporeon, and Flareon. Yep, Flareon. And Leafeon had the Eevee on it as well. So we have... How many do we have here? We have 8. So yeah, 8 Prismatic Evolutions mini tins here. These were not cheap, by the way. These were a lot more than I was wanting to spend on these, but I haven't really pulled anything out of Prismatic Evolutions, so definitely thought give it another shot right here on the channel. But let's get right into the opening. We'll take a look at the first one. I know there's like a little pull tab. Doesn't always work, right? And, so I'm not fighting it to get it. Alright, so we have our little coin. All the coins are Eevee related, and they have different coloring. So I guess Espeon's got the little purple one. 2 packs of Prismatic Evolutions. Alright. So we're going to... Ooh, that was really loud. My apologies. Ooh, a lot louder than I wanted that to be. Alright, so we're going to take a moment. We're going to fast forward. We're going to open these all up real quick in a time-lapse kind of fashion. And here we have our 16 packs of Prismatic Evolutions. And just so everyone is aware, a little disclaimer right here. This is a personal break, so there's going to be no shenanigans going on. I put the cards off to the side. Yeah, there's no shenanigans happening. This is a personal break. Everything comes out of my pocket, and I open it here on the channel. So, pack number 1, we are looking for, personally, any of the SIR Evolutions. We got something there. Litleo, Bronzor, Spritzy, and Okadogi. We, in fact, did not have something there. So, we are looking for Master Ball Hollows. We're looking for Pokeball Hollows. We are looking for a lot of things. Larvitar, Execute, Applin. We have that guy, and Roaring Moon. Good old pack number 3. There we go, we got a Hollow Basic Energy. Suicune. We got Briar. We got Duraludon and Whimsicott. Good old Duraludon there. But let's sleeve up our Hollow Energy real quick. Before I forget. There we go, Hollow Energy. So that's going to be our only hit of the box. 16 packs, 1 hit. Can't wait. Alright, Duskull. There you go, we got a Goldeen Pokeball Hollow. Monkadori, and there you go. Larry Skill, Ultra Rare Full Art. I'll take it. I'll take the Goldeen for the Pokeball Holo. Nice one right there. I like the texture on these. And then we got Larry. Alright, so there we go. Finally cooking with some gas here on these openings. Alright, we got Powdon and Glaceon Holo. Not the right Glaceon there. We're looking for SIR Glaceon. Probably SIR Umbreon's more up to speed what we're looking for. Holo Energy. There you go. We got a Vaporeon Pokeball Holo. Ooh, here we go. Goldeen Master Ball. And then a Noctowl Holo Rare. Alright, so we got 3 in that pack right there. So, Goldeen Master Ball. Vaporeon with the Pokeball. And our second Holo Energy. Alright, we are just about the halfway point here. Basic Energy, Execute, Larry. We got Dusk Noir on the Pokeball Rare. And we got Rayfort on the Full Art Ultra Rare. I'll take it. Take it right there. Our third Pokeball Holo. And our second Ultra Rare Full Art. There we go. Alright, official halfway point pack number 8. There we go. Sparkling Crystal. A Badoo with the Itchy Pollen. And Pheasantipity. Like that Badoo is taking over competitive Pokemon TCG. Alright, there we go. Good old, I believe Ace Spec Rare is technically what they're called. Alright, back eight packs right here. Alright, another Sparkling Crystal. And Espeon. Nice little Espeon right there. I like that art. Oh, my sleeve is now stuck. 10 out of 10 worst pack opening channel here on YouTube. Super unprofessional. There we go. Second Sparkling Crystal. That's, wow, 2 Ace Spec Rares. And both of them are the same. But I guess we did technically get a Goldeen Pokeball and Master Ball Holo. Speaking of Goldeen, Execute and Monkadori. Pretty sure it's the same art as the Trick or Trade booster packs. There we go. Holo. Right? No, not holo. Just the light caught it. And Jolteon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs left here. There we go. It's a Holo Energy. Alright, Suicune. We got Larvitar, Litleo, and Sylveon. Good old Larvitar on the Pokeball Holo. Alright. Final quarter of the opening. Looking for any SIRs. There we go. Holo Energy. Slowking, and Jolteon. Just a holo Screamtail. Good old Pokeball Slowking right there. Sleeve up our 2 holo energies. And then we got our 3 left. 3 left, and then we will do a recap at the end. We got Regigigas Master Ball and Rayford again. Alright. I'll take it. Probably not the Master Ball you're looking for in Goldeen and Regigigas, but probably looking for any of the evolutions. But getting the same Ultra Rare Full Art is wild. Alright, last 2 packs. Can we get any of the SIRs? Oh, we got a Hyper Rare. There you go. Agapon, Ogrepon, and then Atticus. There you go, look at that. That's actually really nicely textured right there. Nice Hyper Rare. There we go. Super textured Hyper Rare. Teal Mask. And then our 4th Ultra Rare. 4 Ultra Rare Full Arts, 1 Hyper Rare, 2 Master Balls, a handful of Pokeball Holos. So, come on. Another banger. Final pack magic, come on. SIR Umbreon. Alright, we got Holo Energy. There you go, Pokeball Houndour, Frenza Paldea, and a Dusk Noir. So we'll sleeve up these 2. We'll do a quick recap. And here we go. Alright, so we have a couple, actually, holo energies. We got 5 holo energies. Nice little allotment there. We did get 2 Ace Spec Rares. Same Ace Spec Rare, Sparkling Crystal. We got a good handful of the Pokeball Holos. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Pokeball Holos right there. So we got Goldeen, Houndour, Slowking, Larvitar, Vaporeon, and a Dusk Noir. We got 2 Master Ball Holos. We got Regigigas and Goldeen. We got, how many did we get? We got 4 Ultra Rare Full Arts, Atticus, Rayfort, and Larry's Skill. And then we had 1 Hyper Rare, being the Teal Mask right there. So, if you guys enjoyed today's opening, hit that like button, comment down below. And text on YouTube, though. Peace out, rock on, stay super class. We'll catch you on the next opening here on the channel.